How to set zones for Zigbee devices. Click on Zones. Click on the plus sign to add new zones. Name the zone, like living room. Click on the plus sign to add fixtures. For example, let's add fixtures from 01 to 04. If you make a wrong selection, you can click on the minus sign to remove the fixture. When finished, click to save zone settings. Now you can control the whole zone at the same time. For example, turn off all the lights in living room. Turn on all the lights in the living room. Long press to enter the zone. Click on lights to have more specific control over the lights. For example, you can adjust the brightness. Adjust the color. You can also adjust the color temperature. Let's create another area. For example, the kitchen. Add fixtures 05 through 10 to the kitchen. That's it. Now you can control both zones separately. Lights off. Lights on. You can also create a general area, like my house, and add all the fixtures to it. This way you can control all the fixtures at the same time. Turn all lights off. Turn all lights on. Adjust color, brightness, and color temperature at the same time.